Okay, here we go. I just bought a new Griffin. It's a paintball gun. And, well, it cost $108, so. Look. It's a really nice gun, though. Like, it's all beast and everything. It's like. Well, I'm going paintballing today. Not today. Saturday. Which is 2 days after the end of school, so. Yeah. Going paintballing. It's gonna be all beast and other stuff. Yeah. Okay. So it was $108, and it's a really good deal because it's a Griffin, and it's $108. Actually, it's $99.99, but with the other stuff and tax, it's $108. It's got the other stuff, but the gun's the main part, so buy the gun. Reminds me of Harry Potter. No, I got the gun, so it's a good gun. So you should buy the gun so you can go paintballing. I'm gonna do close quarters combat at the Delta